Solve linear systems graphically. Question 4. Solve the given linear system graphically. Y equals to half x minus 4 and y equals to minus 3 over 2x. So I've taken this example with fractions, and let me assure you this is the only example with fractions, right? So I don't want to scare you, but I want to tell you that it's not very difficult to draw a line even when fractions are involved, right? Well, good thing for us is both the lines are in slope-intercept form. So sketching them is kind of simple, right? Minus 4 is my y-intercept for the first line. So let me go to minus 4 and make a point there. So this is the point minus 4, the y-intercept for line number 1. And the slope is 1 over 2. That means rise of 2 and run of, that means rise of 1 and run of 2. So let's do that. Rise of 1 and run of 2. So that means 1 and 2. And we get a point here. Let me mark this point. That's perfect. Let's get another point, which is rise of 1 and run of 2. 1 and 2. And we get another point here. And let's mark this one also, correct? And let's join these points to get a straight line which represents first equation, right, which has y equals to half of x minus 4. So that's my line, y equals to half of x minus 4. So let me write it down here. Y equals to half of x minus 4. That's my first line. Let me draw the next line. Next line, what is the y-intercept? Well, there is one. We can think about plus 0. So we have a y-intercept right in the center. So it's like direct variation, where y-intercept is right at the origin. And what is the slope? Minus 3 over 2. So minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2. That means 3 down. 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll move 2 units to the right. 1, 2. There we find the point of intersection. That's great. Now, we could also see this as, let me write this slope in a different way also, like we have done many times by now. Slope is, as you see, minus 3 over 2, right? This could be also written as 3 over minus 2, right? Advantage of writing this in this fashion is to find the other point. 3 up, 2 left. So we got 1, 2, 3 up and 2 left, which gives us 1, 2, another point. So we got now 3 points. Let's join them together and see how this line looks like. So this is a straight line cutting across, going through the origin, right? And when we join it, we get this line. Perfect. And the point of intersection is right here, correct? Right here. And this point is the solution of our linear system. And the coordinates of this point is x value of 2 and y value of minus 3. So we say, well, the solution is P, which is 2 minus 3. And that is the solution, right, for our linear system, since at this point both the lines intersect, correct? So that is how you find solution graphically of linear system. Thank you.